So we're updating the automotive program into the 21st century with the latest and greatest in chassis dynamometers.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy this next video, but before that, please subscribe, like us, give us a thumbs up, share our videos. Thanks.
Hi guys, this is Matthew, so make sure you guys subscribe and turn on the bell. Bye! Hi guys!
Hey, this is Carlos. This is here my 1965 Chevelle. Got it about 2 years ago. It was recently painted Corvette orange. It has a 283 black interior. Got the 20-inch rims at the rear, 18 in the front, US mags. It's a.
How did he pick these rims? They're really nice.
I got them online and others on the Facebook market. A lot of people were showing me pictures of cars with the different type of wheels on it.
It makes it look real cool,
Yes. This is the interior here. It's a 4-speed. And this is my son Matthew here. He's the car guy here, so he's ready to drive, you know, and hit the road right here.
Turn on the car. I'm not going to turn on the car.
That is so cool. That is so cool. That is so cool. And how long did it take you? Did you buy the car this way, or how long did it take you to get?
Yeah, when I purchased it, it was pretty much redone already. Yes, a person that had sold it to me. I just upgraded the wheels, upgraded cam, engine inside.
There you go. And what do we have down there? The sound?
Yes, that's the equalizer there. I left the original radio. I have the aftermarket radio in here.
Oh, do you really?
Yes.
There you go.
I'll set it up there.
Cool. And then how's this car to drive?
Oh, it is awesome. Yes, lots of fun, right, Matthew? Yeah. Yes, it is.
Tassels all the time?
No.
This is the engine here. That's the
Okay, so what are we looking at here?
right here. It's got the 283 original. It has a cam in it. The heads were upgraded on the vehicle.
That is so neat. That is so neat. And then, have you won many car show awards?
Yeah, well, this is the first time I take it out this year.
And what kind of headlights do we have here?
Oh, we have some LEDs. LEDs with the original look.
That is so cool. That is so cool. And then how long did it take to find this car?
Oh, about a year. About a year. The guy had it for about a year. The guy that I purchased off, he had it for about 10, 15 years.
That is nice.
In 1965.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
Cool. I mean, the thing is, it's orange, but it's not too orange.
No, yes.
You know what I mean? It's just.
Yeah, it's just pretty much, it's called a Corvette orange.
Okay.
That's the color of the paint.
Sure. Can we hear how it sounds?
Yes.
Run it. You got it. Thank you.
You got it?
Hi guys, this is Matthew, so make sure you guys subscribe and turn on the bell. Bye!
Thanks for watching US Classic Muscle Cars.